Hey YouTube fam, what's up guys, what's going on? So this is as you guys seen from the title, this is the giveaway entry video. I'm skipping over the 900 subs and I'm just going to go straight to 1,000. So when I get to 1,000 subs, we're giving this away. The way you enter the giveaway is comment down below on this video and sign up for my Patreon. I know some of you guys might not like that. I'm sorry, I really need you guys. If you guys want me to stick around on YouTube, I need some of you guys to go sign up for my Patreon. I've been at this for over a year. I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars keeping this channel going. I've been self-employed for about 12 to 14 years, and I had saved up my money over that time, and I had a really good job. And when COVID hit, it took it all away, and there was really no coming back from it. So that's it, guys. If you guys want me to stick around here on YouTube, I'd love to be here. I'd love to keep getting better with my content and really do some cool stuff with the channel and travel and help people and just make epic content. But anyway, I don't want to ramble here too much. This is the giveaway video. All you have to do to enter in this giveaway to have a chance to win this Tamiya Super Champ is comment down below. That comment is the entry into the giveaway. And then go sign up for my Patreon. Even just do the basic $3 a month membership. That's plenty. If I can get a good amount of you guys to do that for me, then I'll have no problem making it. And you know, I got all these cars and all this stuff for the channel, but it's all broke. And I don't have money. I don't have an income to fix it, to keep it going, to be able to keep making videos. So that's why I really need you guys' help. Got to get Patreon here going or something, you know, so I can be somewhat financially stable. I know it's rough for everybody right now. Hopefully things start getting better for us, guys. It's been a rough year, I know. I'm right there with all of you. Maybe a little worse. I got some bad news, guys. I've been going to the doctor because of that accident I was in, and still having neck and back pain. And I got an MRI done, and they said I have some kind of mass in my neck. So I don't really know what that means. I got to get another MRI done. I guess that means I could have a tumor, cancer. I don't really know. Just got to do more investigating and see what's going on with it and hope for the best, you know. I could use some prayers. Appreciate you guys. But let's continue on with this giveaway video. So we're giving away the Tamiya Super Champ once I hit 1,000 subs. It needs to be somebody that knows how to work on older RC cars. It is about 95% complete, and what's there is in really good condition, but it does need a light restoration, and you will have to put a little bit of money into it, getting it going again. But it's a collector item, and once you have it going, it's got some good value. So, and it's still got the box and everything, so it's a nice giveaway. But hopefully, I don't have no way to control it. But maybe if you don't know how to work on RC cars or you don't collect them, then there's really no sense for you to enter in the giveaway, because like I said, it needs to be worked on. It needs a little bit of money spent on it to get it back up to par and all that stuff. So maybe if you guys don't want to work on it or whatever, you know, if this channel was bigger and I was actually making money, I wouldn't even do this giveaway like this. I would restore it and then give it away, because I just love working on them. I know how to do it. But the way it is right now, guys, I just don't have the money. So we're just going to do the giveaway like it is. It's still a valuable piece, collector item. Somebody hopefully will be glad to get it. And comment on this video and go sign up for my Patreon and enter in the giveaway. I love you guys. Hopefully we can get on track here and get some things going and keep moving forward. A lot of drone stuff back there too. Working on everything. I got a couple of them still working right now, but I'm finally crashing less. I still crash, but I crash a lot less. Anyway, guys, hopefully I'm not forgetting nothing. It's going to end this video. If you want to enter in the giveaway, comment down below and go sign up for my Patreon. When I do the giveaway, when I use the random comment picker, whoever wins, I'm going to go double check and make sure you're a patron member. If you win in the random comment picker and you're not a Patreon member, then it's going to go on to the next person. And until a winner is picked that's a Patreon member. So Sorry I have to do it like that, guys, but if you guys want me to stay here on YouTube, there's really no choice. I have to get some kind of income going, or, you know, me and my family is going to be in super, super bad shape, you know. Just nothing else to it. And with this medical stuff going on and having neck and back pain, I'm really in no shape to be going out and getting another regular job, you know. And the other thing of that, too, is I was self-employed for over 12 years. So I'm not used to working for other people. I'm used to doing my own thing. But I'm putting all my energy into YouTube right now, so I can't really build another business, and I can't really build another business in a pandemic anyway. So my passion and my heart is in YouTube and building up this community. And hopefully you guys will support me in that mission, and just have faith in me that I'm going to do a lot of good things with this channel. So anyway, guys, that's going to be enough of me rambling. Enter in the giveaway, sign up for my Patreon. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, we're going to give it away. I'll ship it out for free. Love you guys. See you on the next video.